Hello and welcome. So we have this problem p plus 2pq plus q is equal to 20. What is p plus q? Solution. We have p plus 2pq plus q is equal to 20. From here, if I multiply 2 to both sides, I have that 2 times p plus 2pq plus q is equal to 2 times 20. Now if I expand, I have 2 times p, give me 2p, plus 2 times 2pq, which is 4pq, plus 2 times q, which is 2q, is equal to 2 times 20, which is 40. Now, at this point, if I add 1 to the left-hand side and right-hand side, I have 2p plus 4pq plus 1 plus 2q is equal to 1 plus 40. Now, if I factorize, I have 2p is common here, which is 2p, 2 brackets 1 plus 2q plus 1 is common, so 1 is bracket 1 plus 2q is equal to 1 plus 40, which is 41. Now I have 1 plus 2p multiplying 1 plus 2q is equal to 41. Now from here, the factors of 41 are the positive factors are 1 and 41, and then the negative factors of 41 are minus 1 and minus 41, positive and negative. All right, so from here, this becomes, taking the positive side first, this becomes 1 plus 2p, and then 1 plus 2q is equal to 1 times 41. So this becomes 1 plus 2p is equal to 1, and 1 plus 2q is equal to 41. So from here, 2p will be equal to 1, and then when this comes, it becomes minus 1. So here 2p is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0, and then p is equal to 0 when you divide both sides by 2. Now, at this point, 1 plus 2q is equal to 41 here. So now, if you move this to the other side, 2q will be equal to 41 minus 1, and then 2q will be equal to 40. So from here, if you divide both sides by 2, q will be equal to 20. So with the positive side, p plus q will be equal to 0 plus 20, which is equal to 20. Now taking the negative side, 1 plus 2p and then 1 plus 2q is equal to minus 1 times minus 41. Now 1 plus 2p will be equal to minus 1, and 1 plus 2q will be equal to minus 41. Now if 1 comes here, 2p will be equal to minus 1, and then 2p will be equal to minus 2. So when you divide both sides by 2, you have p is equal to minus 1. Now from this end, 2q here will be equal to minus 41, and then when 1 crosses, it becomes minus 1. So 2q will be equal to minus 42, and then when you divide both sides, you have that q is equal to minus 41 divided by 2, which is minus 21. Now from here, p plus q is equal to minus 1, and then minus 21, which is equal to minus 22. Thanks for watching. If this video really helped you, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to your colleagues, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.